can go inside.
What's that for?
Huh?
What's that?
This all regions of Uzbekistan.
Ah, I
Bukhara,
see.
this,
Tashkent.
Yeah. Tashkent vilayet.
What does it symbolize? There's.
This one, it is. I think it is peace. Let's go.
Mm-hmm. Like.
It is the regions of Uzbekistan.
Oh, I see.
Namai region, Karakoram, Pakistan. It is the autonomic republic.
Well.
This is my region.
Really?
Horezm vilayeti.
Horezmi.
This is my region.
Horezmi. And this is kind of your traditional cap, or?
No, it is. I think I don't exactly the symbol of this one, but I think it means the peace.
Peace.
Peace of the world. I think. Performance is a man.
Traditional Uzbek.
Uzbek.
Woman dress.
Yes, woman dress. And it's traditional Uzbek men.
Like kaftan?
No, we
Not-
call it chapan.
Chapan.
Chapan. Yeah.
Chapan. Wow. Good quality. Silk, maybe.
I think yes, of course.
Thanks.
It's in winter, if I'm not mistaken.
The soldiers over there on the tank are Russian or black? You don't know. You don't know, I think.
I don't know. Soldiers of.
Wow. Quite tough time.
Yeah, tough time it was.
Some scenes from Second World War, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
This woman who is giving information. And this side, he said that the old weapons